guys, we have a battle with a cow.
In late October, we headed to Eastern Sierra, one of our favorite places to visit. We usually stop at Bishop to get fuel and some food.
Let's get the 2 dark meat turkey platter.
I got some turkey salad sandwich this time, and that is regular turkey sandwich and some turkey chilies. Ooh, hot.
Turkey chili.
Turkey chili, that looks good. The scenery on the US Highway 395 was amazing. We thought it was too late to see the fall colors, but it was beautiful. We stayed at the Silver Lake Campground as usual, and that was the last weekend for the season. So we just parked our RV at our site, and it's actually pretty windy today. Yep. I want to go check out the lake. Wow. It is super windy. I don't think anyone's fishing. There are a couple of people over there fishing on the dock, I think. Woo. It's still beautiful. You see the leaves changing colors. I think it's some winter storms coming. We'll be gone before that, but winter storms coming with snow, so I think that's why it's windy. We're going for a little walk here. The temperature's perfect. It's high 60s, 68, 69 maybe. For dinner, we had food from the bakery. We had some turkey platters and turkey pot pies. It's almost 7 a.m. Oh, I saw fish jumping over there. The lake is very calm. No wind. Very nice. We made some brisket mac and cheese for lunch that day. The lake was nice and calm, so we decided to catch some fish and just hang out. We set up our chairs and got some fishing poles ready. I even did some journaling, and our lunch was delivered. Let me see what you have. Ooh, brisket mac and cheese, yummy. Looks so good. There was no breeze whatsoever, and the lake was super calm like a mirror, but it was a slow fishing day. While we're waiting for a bite, we did some tubing. We even did some archery with the homemade bow and arrows. We caught a few of small rainbows, but we let them all go. The wind began to pick up and we called it a day. Come on, let's go this way. I smell chicken.
Hey guys!
It looks good. The next day was another beautiful day at the lake, but we had to go home. Thank you for watching.